Markets are in a volatile mode. Globally, there has been uncertainty regarding interest rate hike as well as taper. On top of that, the new COVID threat, which is increasing in Europe, and there are apprehension around the world, is keeping the investors' mood somber. In India, the Farm Bill withdrawals have been a dampener on the sentiments. FPIs have been selling relentlessly over the last few weeks, and that is adding pressure to the Indian markets. Fiasco on few of the IPOs, which highly publicized, resulted also in dampening of investor sentiment as far as retail and HNI is concerned in Indian markets. All this has led to a situation where the buying is limited and periodically selling is coming. Under the circumstances, markets are continuously coming under pressure, and on a regular basis, there has been selling. However, even now, we believe the undertone continues to remain positive. We haven't yet moved into a zone where we will call it a bearish market. There is still an underlying positivity. One needs to be cautious, obviously, in this market and carefully watch rather than start buying at every dip. We still believe that there are pockets of opportunities in Indian market, and those will necessarily be in sectors which are related to unlock as well as global markets. We continue to like technology stocks. HCL Technologies and Wipro in the large cap universe have been our favorites. We also like economy facing sectors like cement. We believe that there is enough and more runway for the cement companies, and companies like Birla Corp, JK Cement, Heidelberg Cement, Star Cement can be looked at even at current levels. We also like BFSI. In spite of the pounding it has taken in the market in the recent past, there is deep value in BFSI segment, and if the Indian economy has to grow, BFSI has to perform. We believe that banks like SBI, ICICI continue to remain investors' favorite and can be picked up after the corrections we have seen recently. Amongst the PSU, for the aggressive investor, Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank are definitely worth picking up. Some of the small private sector banks like a Federal Bank, City Union Bank can also be looked at. Overall, investors need to be cautious. All the stocks we suggested needs to be picked up with 1 year time horizon in mind. Thank you.